Hi everyone! In today's video I would like to talk about two terms that are used interchangeably in the business circles, and I would like to make sure that you would know the difference between the two so you can strive for the right business goals of yours. So, the two terms are homepage and landing page. Also, if you're interested in reading the article about the landing page and homepage, I will leave a link in the description to my Medium account in the article itself. Also, consider following me there and subscribing to my YouTube channel so you can see more videos like this and learn more about UX, design, technology, and much more. So let's get started. So what is the similarities between the two? Well, they're both web pages and they both are yours, but they serve different purposes. And here comes the difference. Let's start with the landing page. Imagine that your user is using their mobile phone or their laptop, tablet, whatever device, and is just surfing, scrolling, and exploring the internet, and somehow from the wide variety of medias that your user is using, somehow it ended up that he or she saw your campaign about your recent product, service, or event, and they clicked on that advertisement or post or whatever wide range of spreading the news about this campaign happened to be, and from clicking that button they ended up landing on your page for the specific campaign. So if on that campaign you are selling something or trying to approach your users and get them sign up for your newsletter or get them excited for something new that is going to happen, this is the purpose of the landing page. One purpose only: to get them to convert, to follow, to subscribe, to buy, to book, whatever. Just one goal only. So in that landing page you will have all the benefits, all the questions answered, social proofs, features, what to expect, anything that can convince the user to trust you and to say, I need that, this will solve my problem, let's book it, buy it, click it, whatever. So I will show you here how a wireframe of such landing page might look like. And as you can see in the wireframe, there is no distractions. There is just one call to action button or CTA that is marked with orange, and there is no more than one link towards that conversion. That's it. There is no distractions. Everything needed to be known, it's there on that page, and there is no outsourced information that can distract the user and lead him anywhere else. That's the only path. That's the end. That's the goal. Remember, spreading the news for your event, product, service, whatever. Going down to that landing page, which is the bottom, and conversion. That's the end goal of the landing page. Get them to do something for connecting with you. The other one is the homepage. So, what is the purpose of the homepage? Your user somehow heard about you. They were so interested by you as a brand, personal or business brand, and they got some kind of heightened interest in you, and they want to get to know you. So what they do, they go on your homepage, on your website, and they start exploring. They start looking around different corridors or pathways on your webpage. They get lost of all the information that you offer for yourself. They start get to know you. So they might click from the homepage, they go to the footer, and then they see the about us, they go to people, they go to contacts, galleries, anywhere on the whole website. They can explore, and here the goal is not anything specific, rather than get to know you as a business and what you offer and what can you do for them. The goal is exploration, so they can spend as much as time as they want and click anywhere they want. I'm going to show you another wireframe example for this kind of web page. So the home page would be the doorstep, introducing yourself to your user and opening the doors for them in your business, and showing them what you're capable of. That's it. That's the goal, to earn their trust and for them to get to know you better. So guys, I hope this video was really helpful and you have a clear mind now and a more visual concept of what is the difference between the two. And please make sure to have that in mind next time when you're talking about this type of pages with your freelance designer or in-house designer, and just make your business goals clear, what you want to match the terminology that actually match your expectations, and this will ultimately equal higher satisfaction, because then you will speak the same language as your designer. I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Bye!